Which of the following is not acceptable to Malthusian reasoning? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that refers to Malthusian reasoning. So let's answer this question in that context. Answer choice A, agricultural productivity going up because of technical invention. The second paragraph mentions that agricultural productivity is explained as a result of technical invention. So this answer choice is agreeable to Malthusian reasoning. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, agricultural productivity remaining stable over a long period of time. The second paragraph mentions that according to Malthusian reasoning, the supply of food is inherently inelastic. So it can be inferred that the supply of food, which is agricultural productivity, would remain stable for a long period of time as suggested in this answer choice. So again, this answer choice represents Malthusian reasoning. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, increase in agricultural productivity being essential for population growth. The second paragraph mentions that according to Malthusian reasoning, the supply of food, that is agricultural productivity, is the main factor that governs population growth. So it can be inferred that the increase in agricultural productivity is essential for population growth. So this answer choice represents Malthusian reasoning. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, increasing population expecting improved agricultural productivity. The second paragraph mentions that according to Malthusian reasoning, population growth is the dependent variable. So it is incorrect to state that increase in population, that is population growth, expects improved agricultural productivity. According to Malthusian reasoning, it is the other way around. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, decreasing agricultural productivity causing a decline in population growth. Yes, the passage mentions that Malthusian reasoning indicates that the supply of food, that means agricultural productivity, governs population growth. So it can be inferred that decreasing agricultural productivity causes a decline in population, as suggested in this answer choice. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer choice.